In 1971, Richard Nixon declared a war on drugs.
America's public enemy number one in the United States is drug abuse.
He lied.
In order to fight and defeat this enemy, it is necessary to wage a new all-out offensive.
50 years later, the real public enemy number one is clear. It's not the drugs or the people who use them. The real enemy is the drug war itself and the policies and systems that feed it. Nixon's own aide admitted the drug war was never really about drugs. The war on drugs is a tool for racial and social control and criminalization, surveillance, and punishment. Black and white people use and sell drugs at a similar rate. Yet Black communities have been targeted and vilified, making up 26% of drug arrests, but just 13% of the US population. The drug war affects us all. The US has the highest incarceration rate in the world, in large part because of the drug war. Of the over 2 million people currently incarcerated, 1 in 5 are locked up for a drug offense. Because of the drug war, our drug supply is unknown and risky, with overdose rates at an all-time high. Because of the drug war, we are not safe. Not in our cars, not in our offices, not even in our beds. It is time to end the drug war. The step we must take right now is to decriminalize all drugs, no longer arresting people for what they put in their bodies or carry with them, no longer choosing punishment over support. Decriminalization means a person struggling with their use is given access to treatment, not years behind bars. Decriminalization means a parent can focus on their child's wellness without the criminal justice system getting in the way. Decriminalization means a city can finally invest in health services and support instead of police and jails. We know a different reality is possible. We envision a world after the drug war, a world where someone's relationship to drugs isn't an excuse to take away the autonomy, justice, and safety every person deserves. After the drug war, stigma and fear will no longer rule our communities. Compassion and collective care will take their place. We deserve the world after the drug war, and we need to build that vision together. Join us in the fight for decriminalization and beyond.